A growing concern recently reported by the mainstream media: hidden cameras in Airbnb rentals. This violation not only breaches personal privacy, but also the essential trust needed between Airbnb guests and hosts. The recent report by CNN has uncovered that guests have found hidden cameras in bathrooms, bedrooms, and other private areas. And these hidden cameras are often disguised in objects like smoke detectors, alarm clocks, and even bathroom fixtures. According to a recent court order mandating the disclosure of this information, Airbnb has received at least 35,000 customer support tickets about surveillance devices since 2013. Such discoveries have led to a public outcry and legal scrutiny. Airbnb updated their security devices policy in April 2024, banning, quote, security cameras and recording devices that monitor any part of a listing's interior. But cases of Airbnb hidden cameras continue to be a problem, as laws and policies generally aren't followed by those who want to cause harm. While detecting a hidden camera can be difficult, there are ways you can scan the rental property for devices. You can start by turning off the lights and using a flashlight to look for reflections that might indicate a lens of a recording device. You can also check the Wi-Fi to see what devices are connecting using a Wi-Fi scanner app. And while there are also hardware devices that state they can help in identifying hidden cameras, not all of them work, and their growth in popularity also shows the deep fear individuals have of this growing problem. If you ever find yourself in a situation where you discover a hidden camera at your Airbnb rental, it's important to act immediately. First, you should document the scene with photos and videos using your phone, but do not touch or remove the camera. Next, you want to report to law enforcement as soon as possible so a proper investigation is conducted and a paper trail documenting it is created. It's also crucial to contact Airbnb's customer service to report the violation and initiate their complaint process. They do offer an emergency number that you should reach out to, and you should report to them and request a safe place to stay. We do not recommend contacting the property owner, but do recommend leaving the property as soon as possible to help ensure your safety. Guests who find a hidden camera in a rental property in an intimate area like a bathroom or a bedroom may also be able to file a civil lawsuit against the perpetrator and/or Airbnb for the invasion of privacy and negligence in vetting their hosts. Such actions can lead to compensation for any harm suffered and help ensure breaches of privacy are taken seriously. Helping survivors can put you in touch with an attorney experienced in Airbnb hidden camera lawsuits so you can understand your rights and options. For more information, please reach out to us today.